Why do we use sequential data type? Imagine storing 100 students of marks means without sequential data type, you have to initialize 100 variables for 100 student marks. It becomes difficult. Instead of that, using marks variable, you can store 100 people values in one variable. You can easily print those 100 people values or 100 people marks by calling the variable marks. Instead of using sequential data type, you have to print 100 times. It is difficult. So, sequential data type is easy for you to print at a time more peoples of student marks. Now coming to our topic, string. String is a sequence of character enclosed within single quotes. I am telling about what is string. String is a sequence of characters enclosed within single quotes. A is equal to, for example, I am writing A is equal to single quotes A is equal to double quotes A is equal to triple quotes. Like this, we can take the string values. String are used to store textual data such as names, address, messages, passwords, and sentences. A string allows us to store and manipulate text. Every character in a string occupies a position called an index starting from 0. If you write this program means name equal to Haripriya. Now print name. It will print Haripriya. How to create a string? A string can be created using different quotations. Now only we see single quotes, double quotes and triple quotes. How to take an input from the user for a string? Last time we discussed A is equal to input of enter a string. This is taking input from the user. How to take empty string? A is equal to double quotes or A is equal to single quotes. These two we can take for empty string. Why do we use String. Strings are used whenever we need to store or process textual information. For example, to store names, addresses, password, to display messages, to process users' input, manipulate text, replace words, or to search words, to generate reports. We use strings. Where do we use strings? Strings are used in almost every software application. Real life applications like login system, banking applications, hospital management, student management, online shopping, chart applications, search engines, mail systems. If you write one program means take continuation of this program, take another variable b equal to, take any number, and one more point is any character or any digit or any special characters inside single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes, it is a string. So here b equal to 456 is a string, c is equal to this is also a string, d is equal to this is also a string. Now we have to print them. Print of b print of c, print of d. If we run this, see what is the output coming here. So any character or digits or any special characters in single or double or triple quotes, it become a string. Coming to advantages, strings is easy to store text data. String makes it simple to store textual information. Program any ఇందాక మనం తీసుకున్నాం కదా, నేమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హరిప్రియ, ప్రింట్ నేమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అవుట్పుట్ ఏంటి హరిప్రియ. String is a immutable data type. We cannot modify the given values. For that also we will write one code. In Python we will use triple quotes. This is for comments, for multi-line comments. If you run this, it's showing type error because in string we cannot modify the values. By using slicing, we can modify it. Supports many building methods. Python provides many methods to manipulate string. These are the methods in Python: upper, lower, capitalize, title, strip, replace, split, find, count, starts with, ends with. Now we will see. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech with Krishnakala. In our previous class, we learned about numerical data types like int, float and complex. Today we are going to learn another important category of Python data types called sequential data type. By the end of this video, you will understand these topics. For particularly a string data type. Let's start. What are sequential data types? String, list, tuple, range. Now, what is sequential data type? Before understanding sequential data type, what is a sequence? Sequence is a collection of items arranged in a particular order. For example, imagine Raju, Rahul, Priya, Kiran. Each student has a specific position. If Raju is standing first position, he cannot suddenly become fourth unless someone changes the order. Similarly, Python stores data in a specific order. That order of collection of data is called a sequential data type. Now, what is sequential data type? A sequential data type is a data type that stores multiple values in a specific order. Each value has its own position called an index. Python always starts index from 0. Now see the example. A is equal to list of Hari, Priya, Raju, Ravi. Now we can in string or in sequential data type, we can access the values by using index value. So the index starts from 0. Here 0th position is Hari. First position is Priya. Second position is Raju. Third position is Ravi. This is forward direction of accessing data. So, what is the length of the array? 4. If we want to access data or values in reverse order means the index starts from -1. That means Ravi to Hari. Ravi, Raju, Priya, Hari.